called a nigger, right? That's because you act like a nigger, B-boy. Alright? You act like a nigger, B-boy. I said to stay the fuck away from me. I said it!
Hey, would you mind lowering your voice?
I wasn't talking to you, alright? Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Whether you're a woman or not.
I'm calling ugly black niggers the N-word. Yeah. Barack sent you? Barack sent you? I'm gonna have a restraining order against Barack and his bitch, Sally Kim, okay? Sally, shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to you anymore. You're a retard. You're mental retarded. You're mentally retarded. I don't want to fucking talk to you, Sally. Stay the fuck away from me. You're a fucking cunt. Okay, black vagina. I don't want to talk to a black vagina anymore. You know who you are? You're a black vagina. Yeah, you are? You know you're a black vagina. And everyone who fucks you, who fucks your black vagina, is a nigger. It's an automatic nigger. Okay? Every man who fucks your black vagina is a nigger. What are you? A mediator? Huh? A peacemaker? Are you a peacemaker?
She's going viral.
I'm going to get a restraining order against Sally Kim. She's stalking me everywhere I go.
You got a gun?
Everywhere I
You
go.
got a gun because you talking crazy.
I'm talking crazy?
Yeah.
What am I saying? I'm speaking the truth, right? Right? She has a black vagina. Not only does she have a black vagina, she is a black vagina. Okay? I told you to stay the fuck away from me, Barack. Stay the fuck away from me. Stay the fuck away from me, Sally. Okay? You fucking black vagina. You're a black cunt vagina. That is all you are. And that is all you will ever be. And you know this, but you don't want to face the truth, right? You hate it when someone tells you the truth, right? Shut your fucking black vagina. Alright? That's the only value you will ever have in any man's eye, is that's a black vagina. You understand this? A mentally retarded black vagina. That is the only worth and value you will ever have in a man's eye. So shut the fuck up, and I'm gonna get back a restraining order against you, okay? With your ugly ass flutter eyes, okay? Those are damn cheap ass looking lashes. Those are the cheapest looking lashes I've ever seen. This is fun, right? This is what New Yorkers are like, okay? This is what a true New Yorker is like. Okay?
Follow me where I'm going.
Where you going?
Talk that shit.
Huh?
Where I'm going.
Where the fuck are you going? Huh, Barack? Come on, come in person, you fucking pussy. Barack is a fucking pussy. He has undescended testicles and the penis of a fucking horse. Okay? The penis of a fucking animal. That's what he has. Get off the train. Get off the train? I'm going to get off the train because I have dinner. I have lunch with you.
Yo, my boy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie.
Thanks a